Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best wheel cleaners for brake dust that are available on the market for their true quality. I'll break down each product's features, performance, and value so you can make the right choice for your car. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 4 is the 3D BDX Iron Remover. This acid-free pH-balanced cleaner is formulated to tackle brake dust, iron, and rust on not just wheels, but also paint, exhaust tips, and other surfaces. Once applied, the product turns purple as it reacts with iron particles, giving you a visual cue that it's working effectively. This makes it especially useful for those who like to see the cleaning process in action. Its fast-acting formula requires minimal effort. Just spray it on, let it dwell, and rinse it off. No scrubbing is necessary, unless you're dealing with particularly stubborn contaminants. The versatility of being safe on multiple surfaces, including ceramic-coated wheels, adds to its appeal. Plus, it's made in the USA, backed by over 25 years of expertise in car care. While the 3D BDX is effective and easy to use, one drawback is that it's not as strong as some competitors for baked-on brake dust. It's better suited for regular maintenance rather than heavy-duty cleaning. Pros: it's versatile, safe, and color-changing. Cons: it may fall short for heavily contaminated wheels. At number 3, we have the Ethos Wheel Cleaner Spray. This product features a professional-strength formula that's acid-free and pH-neutral, making it safe on a wide range of finishes, including chrome, alloy, and painted wheels. What sets Ethos apart is its color-changing technology. Watch as the spray turns from green to red as it dissolves brake dust and iron contaminants. This visual transformation makes cleaning satisfying and foolproof. The gel-like formulation clings well to surfaces, reducing runoff and maximizing its cleaning power. It's particularly effective at targeting stubborn metallic contamination, cutting down on the time and effort required for scrubbing. Ethos also offers a 100% satisfaction guarantee, which speaks to their confidence in the product. The main downside is its strong chemical odor, which requires use in a well-ventilated area. Additionally, while it's powerful, it can be a bit overkill for lightly soiled wheels. Ideal for those who want a high-performance cleaner with a visual indicator, Ethos is a solid middle ground option. Pros: it's strong, color-changing, and satisfaction guaranteed. Cons: strong odor and not ideal for light cleaning. Our runner-up is the SONAX Beast Wheel Cleaner, and this product lives up to its name. Known for its advanced chemistry, this acid-free cleaner is designed to tackle baked-on brake dust effortlessly. It's safe for all factory-installed wheels, including chrome, aluminum, and clear-coated finishes. The standout feature here is its color-changing formula, which activates on contact with iron particles, turning deep red or purple as it dissolves brake dust. What makes SONAX particularly impressive is its ability to handle heavy-duty cleaning tasks with ease. Simply spray it on, let it dwell, agitate if necessary, and rinse. For best results, use a pressure washer to blast away stubborn grime. It's a favorite among both DIYers and professionals, thanks to its reliable performance and ease of use. The only drawback is its premium price point, which might be overkill for those who just need a basic cleaner. Additionally, it's not recommended for anodized wheels without prior testing. If you're looking for a powerful and dependable cleaner for heavily contaminated wheels, SONAX Beast is an excellent choice. Pros: it's strong, effective, and visually engaging. Cons: pricey and not ideal for anodized finishes. Taking the top spot is the P&S Professional Detail Products SBrakeBuster Wheel Cleaner. This non-acid formula is incredibly versatile, safe for all wheel finishes, and tough on contaminants like brake dust, oil, and light corrosion. What sets this product apart is its multi-purpose nature. It works equally well on wheels, tires, and brake components, making it a one-stop solution for your cleaning needs. The cleaner can be used straight from the bottle or diluted in a foam sprayer. When foamed, it lifts dirt and grime effortlessly, allowing you to achieve a deep clean with minimal effort. Beyond cleaning, it leaves behind a protective coating that helps repel future grime and tarnishing, extending the life of your wheel's shine. It's also eco-friendly, which is a big plus for environmentally conscious users. The only drawback is that it doesn't feature color-changing technology, which might be a deal-breaker for users who prefer a visual indicator. Nonetheless, its performance, versatility, and protective benefits make it the best overall choice for both enthusiasts and professionals. Pros: it's versatile, protective, and eco-friendly. Cons: no color-changing feature. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.